As we age, our bodies go through many changes, especially when it comes to nutrition. For those of us over 50, meeting our nutritional needs becomes a little more complex. While it's tempting to rely on supplements, there's a lot we can gain by turning to natural whole foods. Sure, supplements have their place, but they're not without risks, especially if overused. Today, we're diving into the nutrients we need most as we get older, which ones to handle with caution, and the best foods to support a vibrant, healthy life naturally. Ready to start nourishing yourself for the next chapter? Let's get into it. 1. Iron. After age 50, iron is a nutrient to monitor carefully. Our bodies lack an efficient way to expel excess iron, and too much iron can accumulate in the liver, potentially causing damage or even increasing the risk of infections. Instead of iron supplements, consider plant-based sources for a balanced approach. Foods like lentils, chickpeas, tofu, quinoa, pumpkin seeds, and leafy greens, such as spinach and Swiss chard, offer non-heme iron, which is absorbed at a more controlled rate. Pairing these iron-rich foods with vitamin C sources like bell peppers or citrus fruits can enhance iron absorption naturally without the buildup risks associated with supplements. 2. Calcium. Calcium is often recommended to support bone health, but too much can lead to unwanted deposits in the arteries and kidneys, raising risks for high blood pressure and kidney stones. Calcium supplements, particularly in high doses, can contribute to this issue. Instead of supplements, aim to incorporate natural sources of calcium, like dairy products, yogurt and cheese, almonds, chia seeds, and leafy greens such as kale and collard greens. These foods provide adequate calcium while allowing the body to absorb it more gradually, reducing the risk of excessive buildup. Furthermore, pairing calcium-rich foods with vitamin D sources like fatty fish or sunlight exposure can help ensure it is directed to where it's needed most, your bones. 3. Synthetic vitamin A. Synthetic vitamin A supplements can cause issues like liver damage, headaches, and even osteoporosis if taken over long periods. However, natural sources of vitamin A, such as those rich in beta-carotene, are safer and more beneficial. Carrots, sweet potatoes, spinach, and eggs are excellent options. Beta-carotene, found in these foods, converts to vitamin A as your body needs it, helping prevent the toxicity risks associated with synthetic forms. Incorporating these foods regularly can maintain healthy vision, skin, and immunity without risking the adverse effects of synthetic vitamin A. While certain nutrients may need to be limited, others become even more important as you age. These vitamins and minerals support key functions such as immunity, energy, and bone health, helping you stay active and vibrant. 1. Vitamin C. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that strengthens the immune system, helps manage inflammation, and even supports skin health by boosting collagen production. While synthetic vitamin C supplements can be useful in managing allergies or specific health conditions, natural sources are generally preferable. Citrus fruits like oranges and lemons, as well as bell peppers, strawberries, and kiwis, are packed with vitamin C. Adding sauerkraut to your diet is another great way to get a natural vitamin C boost, especially beneficial during colder months when fresh fruits may be less available. Prioritizing these foods keeps you well supplied with vitamin C, enhancing your body's defenses against illness. 2. Vitamin B3, niacin. Niacin plays a crucial role in managing cholesterol levels, repairing DNA, and generating energy. However, taking high doses as a supplement can cause an uncomfortable niacin flush. Instead, gradually incorporating niacin-rich foods into your diet is a gentler approach that still offers the benefits. Tuna, salmon, poultry, like turkey, and whole grains such as brown rice are excellent sources. Adding these to your meals will provide a steady intake of niacin, which helps to maintain cardiovascular health and energy without the side effects often seen with supplements. 3. Magnesium. Magnesium is a key nutrient for reducing calcium buildup within cells, which supports blood pressure, muscle function, stress relief, and better sleep. Unfortunately, magnesium is often depleted in the soil, making it harder to get enough from food alone. Foods that are particularly rich in magnesium include leafy greens, like spinach and Swiss chard, nuts, especially almonds and cashews, seeds, such as pumpkin and flax, and legumes. These foods also provide fiber, which supports digestion and heart health, making them an essential addition to your diet for all-around wellness. 4. Vitamin D. Vitamin D is critical for calcium absorption, immune health, and muscle function, and many people, especially those over 50, don't get enough. Supplementing with vitamin D is often recommended, with doses up to 10,000 IU seen as safe. However, the best sources of natural vitamin D are fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines. Vegetarians or vegans can opt for fortified foods and certain types of mushrooms exposed to sunlight. Sun exposure remains one of the best ways to boost vitamin D levels, so spending time outdoors is highly beneficial, especially as you age. 5. Vitamin K1. Vitamin K1, often associated with blood clotting, is a critical nutrient that ensures proper blood coagulation, helping the body heal wounds and prevent excessive bleeding. While some worry that too much vitamin K1 might lead to overclotting, it actually functions to maintain normal clotting processes without triggering excessive clot formation. Beyond clotting, vitamin K1 also plays a part in maintaining vascular health and balancing calcium levels in the body. Dark, leafy greens such as kale, spinach, and collard greens are some of the best sources of vitamin K1. These greens are easy to incorporate into meals, whether you add them to salads, blend them into smoothies, or cook them in dishes. Including these foods regularly supports a healthy circulatory system and contributes to balanced calcium levels, essential for aging bones. For people over 50, ensuring enough vitamin K1 can help keep the cardiovascular system in check and provide protective benefits for bone and heart health. 6. Vitamin K2. Vitamin K2, though less known than K1, is equally crucial, especially as we age. It helps regulate calcium by directing it to bones, where it supports strength, rather than allowing it to accumulate in the arteries, which can lead to harmful calcification. This unique role in calcium regulation makes vitamin K2 essential for both bone health and cardiovascular protection. K2 is not widely found in common foods, but it is naturally present in fermented foods such as natto, a Japanese dish made from fermented soybeans, sauerkraut, and certain types of cheese, including Gouda and Brie. These foods not only provide vitamin K2, but also contain beneficial probiotics that enhance gut health and support immune function. For individuals over 50, incorporating these foods into a balanced diet can make a meaningful difference in bone density and reduce the risks of arterial calcification. Vitamin K2 supports longevity by promoting heart health and strengthening the skeletal system, making it a key nutrient for maintaining vitality as we age. Navigating nutrition after 50 is all about balance, getting the right nutrients while avoiding excess. Instead of leaning on supplements, choosing whole, nutrient-rich foods can be one of the most powerful ways to support your energy, immunity, and bone health. With thoughtful choices, you're not just feeding your body, you're embracing a vibrant, active life beyond 50. So here's to stronger bones, a resilient immune system, and feeling your best every day. Thank you for watching, and remember to like and subscribe for more tips on living your healthiest life naturally. See you next time.